Hi, grade 5. This is Mrs. K. We're starting a new unit on baptism. And before we started talking about it, I thought I would share some information. What is baptism? Baptism is a sign to show others that you are a follower of Jesus in the Christian faith. It is also spiritual washing and preparation for a lifelong journey. How do people do this? You can be baptized in a church, and some of you may have seen this in your churches. Or you can be baptized in a river, a pool, or any other place where the water is deep enough to cover you. And here's my photo renewing my baptismal vows in the Jordan River when I went to Israel. And there is my face and my hat. And this is the place where Jesus was baptized. So your charges this week, you're going to listen to a story called Today is a Baptism Day. Hope you're well. Bye for now.